Hello friends, in this video let us derive formula for cos A minus B. For that let us draw one circle with unit radius. Circle with unit radius. Say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is origin with coordinates 0, 0, center of circle, and radius of the circle is 1 unit radius. Let's take one point on this circle. Say this point is P. Let's join this point with O. Angle made by this line, that is PO, is say A. Now we can easily write coordinates of this point P in terms of polar coordinates, that is r cos theta. Theta means angle. Value of theta here is A. R cos theta, that is r cos A. Value of r is 1, therefore 1 cos A, simply cos A, comma r sin A, that is 1 sin A, 1 sin A, simply sin A. After this, let's take another point here. Say this point is Q. Let's join this point with O and say this angle is B. This angle is B. Now once again we can write coordinates of this point Q in polar form, that is r cos B, that is 1 cos B, simply cos B, comma r sin B, that is simply sin B, because value of r is 1. Now you can see here this angle is A minus B. A minus B. This angle is A minus B. This is A, this is B, therefore this is A minus B. Now after this, what we will do, we will rotate this entire part in clockwise direction such that this line will fall on x-axis and this, see, this will be shifted somewhere here. See, this line segment is falling on x-axis. This will come somewhere here. See, we are rotating. See, this line will come somewhere here. This is the new position of point P. Say this position is say R, and this will fall on this. Let's join this. We have not disturbed this angle. We have just rotated. Therefore, this angle is again A minus B. We can write coordinates of this point R as r cos A minus B, that is 1 cos A minus B. It is simply cos A minus B, comma r sin A minus B, that is 1 sin A minus B. It is simply sin A minus B. And say this point is S. We can write coordinates of this point as well, that is r cos 0, 1 cos 0, that is 1, and r sin 0, that is 0. 1 into 0, 0. As these two angles are same, therefore when we draw this PQ chord and RS chord, see, these two angles are same, therefore these two chords will be congruent with each other. Therefore, we can write the distance formula for PQ and RS. Let us write distance formula, where then I square it and we will equate these two square distances. Okay, let us write PQ square by using distance formula. PQ square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Cos A minus cos B, cos A minus cos B whole square plus sin A minus sin B, sin A minus sin B whole square. Similarly, we can write using distance formula rs square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. cos A minus B, cos A minus B minus 1 x2 minus x1 whole square plus sin A minus B minus 0, sin A minus B minus 0 whole square. Say this is 1 and this is equation 2, equating equation 1 and 2. PQ square is equal to RS square. The right hand side of equation 1 is A minus B whole square, A square, that is cos square A, plus B square, cos square B, minus 2AB, that is minus 2 cos B, cos A, cos B, plus A minus B whole square again, A square, that is sin square A, plus B square, that is sin square B, minus 2 sin A sin B, minus 2 sin A sin B. The right side of equation 1 is over, is equal to right side of equation 2, square of this cos square A minus B plus 1 square, that is 1, minus 2 cos A minus B plus sin square A minus B, sin square A minus B. Now see here, cos square A plus sin square A, it is 1, cos square B plus sin square B, it is again 1, minus 2 common we can take, minus 2 common, it is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos square A minus B sin square A minus B, addition of these two is 1. We have already 1 here. Then what is left? Minus 2 cos A minus B. The 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2 will get cancelled each other from both sides. Then minus 2, minus 2. Finally, we get formula for cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, sin A sin B. This is very basic formula from which we can deduce so many formulae in the subsequent videos. I hope you must have understood this simple derivation for cos A minus B. We will meet again in the next video with another concept or problem. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.